I'm popping in with a quick birthday sale announcement because apparently my idea of celebrating my birthday is giving you a discount on my knitting patterns. So if there is a sock tutorial or a sweater video tutorial or another knitting pattern that has been in your queue, now is the time to buy. Hey Nerdy Knitter, Tanya here. I'm a certified knitting instructor and a master hand knitter, and we usually talk sweater fit and knitting and all things knitting, but today just a really quick video just to announce the birthday sale. This is the first time I've ever done a birthday sale, so we're not talking about sweater fit today or a sock tutorial or anything else. I just want to share this sale with you. So here are the details for the sale. It starts today, July 23rd, and it's going to run through Saturday, August 1st. So plenty of time to purchase your patterns. Now, there are no codes needed at all. You can go to my website, you can go to Ravelry and look for my patterns in those two places and be able to access them at 35% off. So whatever the price is on there, you're going to get a 35% discount, no code needed. Now, maybe you're in your sweater knitting season and you'd love to learn some new sweater knitting techniques. I have a beginner sweater tutorial or this tee tutorial, a couple other sweater tutorials that walk you through lots of different techniques and tips. So you could look out for those video tutorials and get the pattern for those. Or maybe it's your sock knitting season and you're looking for some new socks, heels or toes or things like that to knit. Then you're going to want to check out one of my 12 sock knitting tutorials and the companion patterns. Or maybe you just want to cast on a fun new shawl or a cowl or something like that. I have plenty of those as well. So you'll find a link to my pattern website down below, which also links to Ravelry, and you can check out those patterns. Again, no code needed. Just save 35% off over the next week or so. And since it's my birthday week, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for watching these videos and liking and commenting, sharing your knitting journey along with me. And I appreciate that you're here and you're the reason I have this knitting business, because you're there to enjoy this hobby with me. And I really appreciate you for that. So thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy the sale, and I'll see you in the next video.